Looking for the best glue for your leather project? Not sure which one you should use? In today's video, we're going to take a look at 6 different kinds of glues and see how they perform when applied to various surfaces. Hi, I'm B. Dillinger, and I'm an accessories designer based out of New York, and I use a lot of different glues on my leather projects. I have my OGs, which are original gangsters, but I do try new ones occasionally. In this video, I will be showing you some new options. Quick disclaimer, if you're looking for advice on what to use for a big project like car seats or furniture, I don't have any suggestions for that. This video is focused on small leather goods. We're going to be looking at materials when combined with leather and how they perform. Rubber, plastic, wood, foam, metal, patches. All the glues in this video received 15 minutes of drying time, and the focus was mainly on flexibility and adhesion. In terms of odor, none of them were super strong, but I do recommend following the manufacturer's directions and applying the glue in a well-ventilated area. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video where I will show you a graphic chart and do a quick recap. Links to all the glues mentioned in this video can be found down below in the description box. Honorable mention, double-sided tape. This I reach for and use all of the time. It's awesome. It's great when you want to hold something in place just long enough to be able to sew it. The only drawback on it is that not all brands are created equal. The cheap ones sometimes, not always, but sometimes tend to be a little bit gummy, or they leave behind a residue if you stick it to the wrong side and want to remove it. All the glues, for the most part, had pluses and minuses. However, in terms of what I personally would want to add to my collection, Shoe Fix. This is like super glue, but for shoes. It's best for small areas and tight spaces. It dries fast and clear. It performed well on all the surfaces, but because of the small bottle, I wouldn't use it on a large area. All-purpose cement. I felt this was outstanding and performed well on a variety of surfaces. The only drawback is the amber color of the glue when it dries, and you have to apply the glue to both surfaces before you stick them together. This is industrial strength, and I would use it for shoe or sandal making. Intercom. It worked well on most of the surface and dries clears, but I didn't love it. I just thought it was okay. Weld bond. For me, this was a no. It's too thick and reminded me of the Elmer's glue I used to use for school craft projects. Its only saving grace is that it's vegan friendly. Leather adhesive. This was a 50-50 toss-up. Not horrible, but with so many other options, it would not be something that I would reach for first. Here is the reference chart to break down everything that we saw in this video. All right, party people, that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, like this kind of content, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I wish you bag success, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.